What's up, y'all? It's y'all boy Drippy here, man. I got 6 days left, bro. Like, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. I got 6 days left out here. You know what I'm saying? Like, thinking about life. I'm not even working anymore, man. I have no job right now. And as y'all can see, I'm at home chilling. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see the title of this video, man. What shoe I'm gonna bring with me? Nah, let me see. You know, I gave away a lot of my shoes, as y'all can see. This is the aftermath. I'm about to show y'all right now. Yeah, I barely got any more. You know what I mean? I gotta take some of these stuff out of this closet, bro. Like, it's really crazy right now. That is unfortunate, but I'm about to help, or I'm about to pick a shoe out, something like that. But ultimately, I'm trying to figure out what's the best shoe for me to wear. Like, what I'm gonna take with me. You know what I mean? I know once I get to tech school, I'm gonna want me a pair. So like, I'm gonna get me some Windex for sure. But these shits here be pissing me off because like they be getting dusty, that material. But I love these shoes. I love my breads. Bread 11s is one of the best Jordans that ever come out. I don't care what nobody say. High or low top, I'm taking the breads with me for sure. For sure. I'm taking the breads with me. But I don't know. What's the second shoe? Is out of them threes I got? Go ahead and look. I got these. Kind of dirty a little bit. Like, these are really my favorite shoe, to be honest with you. Like, I'm being for real. Like, these threes are really my favorite Jordans, but because they're mad comfortable. Like, I just can't get enough of that. How comfortable them shoes is, man. Like, for real. But y'all see me. I'm playing the PS5. Shit. Yeah, that's the story of my life. You know what I mean? So one more week, man. You know what I mean? I stopped by the school today, got me like a little trophy type shit. But yeah, got my trophy. They were been supposed to give me this since graduation, but I had to pressure them because like I told them, I'm like, I'm about to leave, you know. I leave in a few weeks. This has been a couple of weeks ago. So I leave in a few weeks, and I need a trophy before I leave. Next thing you know, they got it with the name, because I won Best Spirit Jaguar Award. Let me see, the certificate is right here. It's right there. They only gave me that in graduation, but they were supposed to give me this on the same night. But you know, it's better late than never. Nice trophy. I fuck with it. But yeah, man, lately, you know, been working out, kind of like running type shit. I still got my track speed, you know what I mean? But trying to take it easy. I ain't trying to catch shin splints again. But my shins didn't heal. They did heal since track season. I had a lot of rest this summer. You know what I mean? Just been working type shit. But that's all it is to it, man. Leave next week, man. The countdown starts now. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to have a lot of content coming out here. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.